I am here. Don't start the video without me. That would be kind of a weird video, actually. Alright, who's ready for another Stella video? I'm not. If you have social media, if you have any sort of a internet connection, actually, what am I saying? If you have eyes and you could either see like billboards or magazines or whatever, you are probably aware of the existence of the Kardashian-Jenner clan. Yes, they're kind of like their own species, and it's kind of nice to observe them for like a little while. And one of the observations that I like making about this clan is the fact that they always have amazing hair, particularly that of Mrs. Kardashian West. A little while ago, she was rocking her classic long bob. Yeah. I'm not gonna cut my hair, you know, I find that a bit too extra for me. I am going to, however, cut my wig. This is a brand new full human hair, full lace wig that I just received in the mail, and I cannot tell you how obsessed I am with this wig. Yes, I have too many wigs, but I love them. This specific one is by Double Leaf Wigs. Can you see something? Yep. The quality of them is beautiful. They are so known so well. And the fact that it is a full lace wig is amazing. Yes. But yeah, I will put their links, their everything, coupons, whatever is the store down below. You should definitely check them out because I think they're amazing. The difference between a full lace wig and a lace front wig is that this wig has individually sewn on hair strands all over the wig as opposed just rows of wefts. They run a bit more costly, but they are so much better because you could part them wherever you want. The wig itself didn't come with any clips or combs, so I actually sewn on a hair elastic band, and this is what's going to keep my wig in place. But yeah, today I'm going to be showing you how to style, cut and rock said wig. I am going to be actually cutting it longer than Kim's hair simply because I like a bit of length to my long bob, so probably till around just under the collarbone. Yeah? Okay. Anyways, on to the cutting! Okay, so I've just put up my hair into a quick kind of braided bun so I can prepare myself for the wig. I absolutely love the way this turned out. I think it's so sleek, it's so beautiful, and I think it goes well with most face shapes. So, Alright, so head condom. Because I added this elastic band to the back of the wig, I will not be gluing down the wig because, you know, it's one of those throw-on things. Yep, okay. Okay, now because I didn't do this before I styled the wig, it's time to now do it. I have to customize my parting. I want to always keep it in the middle, so I'm going to go in with my tweezers and pluck out some hairs. Now, just because Kim K is never seen with any sort of flyaways, I'm going to be first going in with my Toni and Guy serum. I would normally never ever recommend putting any sort of oil near your scalp, but this is a wig and I've got a live flyaways over there. Finally, to seal in the design completely, I'm going to be going in with my Body Amplify Creation Hairspray by Toni and Guy. Very, very small amount. Just literally just so that it settles onto the hair and weighs it down. Makes it all pretty. I feel like my eyebrows need to be darker. Hi, I'm Kim Kardashian West and you're watching E. I don't know how she does it. She's got this peculiar voice that's like, it's reserved specifically just for her, you know? I think I did pretty well. No? So this is it. This is my final look. This turned out so beautiful. Guys. I'm gonna tell you right now, go ahead, go get a wig, repeat everything that I just did, because this is the most insanely beautiful hairstyle and wig and color ever. So I think I nailed it. The cut looks amazing. As I said, I left it a bit longer than hers was. You know, I did it just a bit further down from my collarbone, but otherwise I did in no layers, nothing. It's just, oh, it's perfect. I did not glue the wig down, and typically wigs that I do not glue down, they bounce up almost, or they feel very flimsy, but this actually feels so secure and it's so comfortable because I just threw it on and the band is holding it in place. So like, yes. As I said, I'm going to be leaving this beautiful wigs details down in the description box below. You can check it out for yourself. Obviously, you do not have to cut it. You know, a beautiful long wig is just as good, but I really wanted to try this out and it worked. Cool, so I do hope you enjoyed this video. I do hope that you will give it a go because it is so beautiful and stunning and whatnot. It's gonna suit you, I promise. I will see you in my next video. Adios. Ciao, adios. How does she say it? Ciao, adios, sama. Alright, bye.